Hi guys, Shalana here. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So as you can tell from the title, we are going to reinstall a used lace front wig. So if it is interested in that video, just keep on watching.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound?
6 hours later.
Alright guys, so this, I haven't got this one to curl like how this one curl, but let's be simple. But this is the finished look. See this little puff and a little bun. to the strictly stuff to the front. That's the chat to talk about that, but that's, you know, make you look a little cooler than whatever. And I wanted this one was a curl like this one, but it incorporated. But right, so if it is you enjoy this video and you like it and you want to do this style, you could go ahead, tag me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana Sadik on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.